guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's now Tuesday. I don't know how I'm about to be doing these vlogs. Like, do I do day vlogs or a couple days? I just got out here probably about 10 minutes ago. I saw about 3 orders I could have took. I should have took one of them, but I don't know. I wasn't really feeling them, so we wait. I did get an order last night from a returning customer. She just ordered from me like 2 weeks ago, I think. They have the post office where you can like scan the packages in yourself. I haven't tried it yet. I just be dropping them off. So I think I'm gonna try it tomorrow. Also, I've been thinking about starting another Instagram page and like just going back to like how I first started and building it up. I don't know, I just think it's so crazy. Like, I worked so hard building my Instagram page up authentically, like the real way, and to see me getting shadow banned and them like not unshadow banning me, it's crazy. Like, I worked so hard to get to where I'm at, and it's like it just seems like it's all for nothing. I don't want to shut it down because I do have some customers, more so returning customers. They'll come back, you know, every once in a while. I have two, this lady right here and this other lady. They shop with me all the time. Then I have other customers that'll come back like every other month and purchase a wholesale order. So it's like, I don't want to shut it down. I just have to figure out what to do. That's all that's on my mind right now. Is just trying to figure out like what I could do to just make things work for me. Whenever I get my first order, I will check in with y'all. And yeah, happy Tuesday. Alright, so our first order is actually an Uber Eats order. I just picked it up. About to see if it can fit in my bag. We are 6.4 miles from the customer, and I want to say it was like $14.74, but I'll put it on the screen because I honestly can't remember. But I know it was like $14. Have y'all ever had First Watch before? It is so good. My boo put me on. It is the next day. Yesterday was a complete fail. That was the only order that I did. I had like a mental breakdown, so I decided to take my ass in the house. But I did get some work done. I edited the first vlog. Now we're about to put these up real quick so that I can have a clean, empty space while I do this little order. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this because even though I'm shadow banned, I still want to get content. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it because I want to, you know, film some for YouTube and still be able to get some for Instagram. These containers are clean. I let them sit in some soaking water. This customer ordered 4 lemonade retail lip scrubs. I got my big old thing of sugar. Behind the scenes, so we can get the content for my Instagram. Oh, bro, I didn't know I was still recording. Wow, okay. I'm gonna get a good old texture shot. you can click the link in the description box. Sha'Naya'sBeautyBar.com for lip scrubs, lip gloss, wholesale, all that good stuff. I am outside now. I just got my first order, $11 on Uber Eats. I would have took both of these, but one is going the other way. They were both from Noodles and Company. I had one on Doordash that was $6.50, and the one on Uber Eats that I accepted is $11. Let's see what this person got. Kristen, pot stickers, a side of tomato basil bisque, spaghetti and meatballs. Third floor. I just dropped that off. Bro, I love going into the apartments that you have to like enter a code and stuff. It looks so nice and well kept. I just accepted another order on Instacart. This one I think said 42. I clicked it so fast because I know if I didn't, it was gonna be gone. It is slow today, like really slow. First store is Five Below. I gotta get 6 items out of there. I don't know what customer B got. I just know they have 44 items and it's at Food Line. So hopefully they have everything so that we can get the whole full amount. So I'm out of Five Below, and I just took a picture of the freaking receipt, right? I'm so mad at myself for accepting this order. I just knew that it was gonna be bad because I didn't get to see any of it, and it's so many items. This lady got 24 cases of water, and it wouldn't be like real bad if she wasn't in an apartment. I wouldn't care, but she's in a freaking apartment, and then on the directions it says to come upstairs. This is not worth $42, and I really wish I would have just sat there and like checked like I usually do, and if it would have went away, then so be it. But we accepted it, so we're not gonna complain too much. We're just gonna get it done. Bro, I am so freaking tired. Oh my gosh, I definitely need to eat some food. Oh shit. That was horrible. Only did 2 orders, so that's real bad, and it's getting late. I'm about to go ahead and do this quick little $10.90, I think, CVS order. She got 8 items, and I am 9 minutes away. Whew. I was doing good with the bags and stuff. Once I got to those orders, it was over. Your girl was done for, okay? Heavy breathing and all. This one total right here. This one right here. Why do I think I just did a no tip order? Unless the person tipped 30 cents. Wait, maybe, did it say 1060 or 1090? Hold on. No, it said 1060. So I just did a no tip order. Wow. Wow. I am disappointed. That's crazy. I'm so tired. I'm ready to go home, take a shower, and lay down. Good morning, you guys. So I'm outside. It is now 9:48. Just finished using the scanner thingy to scan in the package. Got the proof right here, the receipt. I actually could have recorded this time because there was nobody like right there. I don't be feeling comfortable recording around people, for real. That's something I gotta like get used to. I'll do it next time, you know, entrepreneur stuff. But yeah, so I'm about to go over to my spot and just chill until something comes up that is worth taking. This side better, like this side is just weird. Got our first order. I was able to screenshot it. So right now it's $41.11 and it is 13.9 miles. And I was able to like skim through real quick, and I think I saw some water and some soda, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be too bad. So yeah, I have to go to Five Below first, and this person got 2 headsets, so hopefully they have both of those in there. And then the other one is Food Line. That literally took, at the most, I want to say 3 minutes because I had to go through checkout and stuff. That was fast. Got both of the items. Got 12 more items to go, then I'll be done. 21 minutes. I think I'm doing pretty good. When I got there and I was walking up to the door, she was right there. She opened the door and she just asked me if I could put them in the foyer. So of course we did that. She was very sweet. So now, out of breath, but we're on to the next customer to drop off the 2 headsets from Five Below. Still early in the day, so we should be able to make some good money today as long as it's, you know, consistent. You don't have to be busy, you just have to be consistent. And they let me get in on the fun, okay? I want some money. Like, come on now. I just accepted a $35.87 order, 40 items, 2 customers. It is a little high in mileage, but it is what it is. It's 15 miles. Yeah, and I looked at the items and they don't look that bad. It is 8:09. I just got some noodles and company. This is my second time having it. It's pretty good. I got the spicy Korean noodles with steak. I did really good today. I'm very proud of myself. I pushed myself. I was like, I'm not going home. I did 2 more orders after whatever y'all saw last. I did a noodles and company order, and that was just $7.04, but literally it was like 0.7 miles. Literally right around the corner. So I was like, let me knock that out. And while I was on my way to pick it up, Instacart popped up and it said $29. So I was like, you know what, let me click that. I clicked that real fast and got it. So that was 2 customers and it went up to $30.64. So we're ending the night with, I can't remember, $131.71. We did really good today. So I'm actually going to end this vlog right here. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to the end, I truly, truly appreciate you. You're a real one. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video.